Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Dirty Pat Walsh channel on YouTube with me, your host, Dirty Pat Walsh. That's right, people. The Dip Fairy greeted me this morning with a bunch of dip, so I'm back in Happy Land. Thank you very much, Hillary. I really appreciate it. She also sent me some masks and gloves. Yeah, thank you very much. But she didn't send me anything to review, like anything new. But I did want to point out a certain can, because it's a seasonal can. Now this is what a normal can of Copenhagen Snuff looks like. Everybody knows I love my Copenhagen Snuff. And she sent me this. I think this is beautiful, a beautiful can. This is the seasonal can. So that is pretty fucking cool for my collection. Thank you so much, Hillary. That's amazing. And I don't know if this is what I'm dipping right now is some wintergreen smooth. I don't know if I don't know if this is a seasonal can or what, but it's still a cool looking can. There's also a can of Copenhagen Wintergreen. This is the standard Copenhagen Wintergreen can, and that's a smooth wintergreen can. But pretty cool stuff. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Hillary. Yeah. So when I was out at dip, I was chewing lots of loose leaf tobacco, you know, which I love doing. I love chewing tobacco. I absolutely love it. But it's not unless it's like a plug or a twist. It's not something I can do all day. Um, it's it's just too there's too much to it, and it's messier. I like dipping because I like dipping, but chewing I like chewing, but I like chewing once in a while as compared to chewing all the time. Um, These are my personal preferences that I'm sure you all really care about. But I did get I was looking, one of my refuges was all my dry snuff, all my nasal snuff. So I've been hitting that pretty good too. Um, yeah, Thor's hammer, the Viking Thor's hammer, and the Seville. Oh, so good, so good. But I remembered as I looked in my snuff box that I have a bunch of Scotch, American made snuffs, and a lot of people dip these down south, from what I've been told. So, and pe- people dip them. There's often you see people going, I'm gonna solve this debate right now, and they pack a big lip of it, and that's how Wennington Outdoors did that was. Whatever happened to him? Oh yeah. Anyhow, um, so I decided to start doing that, and it's way better than I thought it would be. Um, I thought it would be really messy, really dusty, but it's not. If you do it right. So I'm gonna take some of this. My favorite one I've been doing with is Checkerberry. It's so good. This is a wintergreen snuff, and it's so good to dip. Oh my gosh. Um, so yeah, peach. This stuff's good. So we're gonna have a little lip of that. And yeah, that's the product in the can. Um, Now, it's just about getting the right amount, you know. So I'm gonna start off with about that much, and I think it's, you know, pulling your lip out when you dip, and pack your lip. It's kind of it's a thing that beginners do. Um, Not many experienced dippers do it, but I think it's perfectly fine to do when you're doing this. So. Mm-hmm. It's a little messy at first, but once you get it situated in there. Mm-hmm. Anyhow, I've come to find I really like this way of dipping a lot. Which doesn't surprise me because I tend to like I mean, that's a pretty old way of dipping. Um, and I'm a sucker for the oldies. I don't know what it is. But yeah, it's in there. You know, it kind of has like some dry parts to it, but that all kind of forms the infrastructure for it, I think. Yeah, sorry, kind of gross. Mm-hmm. So dip and peach snuff, and I actually have a lot of this. I have this can, which is like, I don't know, 3/4 full, and yeah, not even like 8/10 full, and I have a huge one of the big huge tubes of it as well, big huge tubes, and about it's about the size of this, you know, maybe a little bigger. I don't know. But yeah, so that brought joy to my heart. My roommates have been working real hard and on the yard. My roommate Kelsey, at least, and cutting grass and making, you know, she planted a rose garden and blueberry bushes the other day. Um, Very nice. It's very nice out there now. I have a beautiful big backyard, and anyhow, my new roommate Lauren owns a little fire bowl, and not like a full size fire pit, but just a little fire bowl. And you know, there's kind of like a fire ban or something going on. I don't know if it is in Peterborough or not, but we called and checked it out, and it's totally legal to have a fire in a fire bowl. So yeah, at sundown tonight, we're gonna have a roommate party sitting around the fire. I think that's gonna be pretty swell. Um, I really like hanging out with my roommates. They're very cool people. So, but yeah, all right. Well, I just wanted to, you know, pop in, give Hillary a shout out, and thank her for all the tobacco, and show you what I've been up to with when I ran out of dip. You know, yeah, never a problem that can't be solved in the little inconveniences we have. You know, I hope you're all being safe, being well, living your best life, staying out of trouble. Um, you know, it's a crazy world right now. So be safe and be well. Bye now.